Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone for each contact in your phone Vivo V23. First of all, go to call button and click on contacts here. Click on contacts and select any contact. I select this contact and click on these three dots and click on set ringtone. Now you can assign any tone to this contact. So this ringtone will be just customized for this contact only. So you can set a different ringtone for different contacts in your phone. Now I select this contact Princey and here I would like to set ringtone. I would like to set ringtone for Princey. So you have to go to that particular contact. So here I search the contact. It takes time. And click on these three dots and click on set ringtone and you can select any tone. So instead of general ringtone, you can set particular ringtone for particular contact. So when phone is ringing, then you will know who is calling because you already set that ringtone. So hearing the ringtone sound, you will know who is calling you. It will be very useful feature. And yes, I receive call now and the set ringtone is now hearing. In this way you can easily set different ringtone for different contacts in your phone Vivo V23. That's all friends. Bye.